snow fell soft in April, like it lost its sense of time. The river touched the door of houses built to last. Photographs held their breath of summers in the past. We learned the names of storms before we learned to sleep. The sky grew low and heavy, like a promise we couldn't keep. I don't scream, I don't run, I feel the weight of what we've done. After the ice is gone, after the coast gives in, there's a quiet question under our skin. After the fire fades, after the sirens start, there's a truth still beating.